One of only 65 cars produced, Land Rover Defender Urban XRS. We had one previously, it came in, it sold instantly. The super rare, they only made 65 of these cars. Incredible engine, 5 litre V8, 525 horsepower with carbon everywhere. Massive. I'm going to mention carbon fibre a lot with this video because that's what it's all about, this carbon fibre. And it's also got that XRS performance exhaust, so the car sounds incredible. The car is finished in Santorini black, but it's got a khaki exterior wrap, which again has just been done. It looks tremendous. Then you've got carbon fibre everywhere. So we've got full carbon bonnet, exposed carbon vents. You can see the XRS detailing all tucked into these top sections of the vents. Then you've got the urban wide track around the arches, the DRLs. This wonderful carbon fibre grille here, the 3D carbon fibre urban badging. Also, this is number 11. So if you come up here, number 11 is, that's not a sticker on top, that's actually underneath. That is on there. Pod lights, UVX incredible forged wheels, which are in black as well. This car's done 11,000 miles. The conversion alone is just short of £70,000. This car to buy new will have been 125, 130, so it's well over £200,000 car new. It's priced £114,990, still under warranty as well. We're going to have more carbon, so we've got carbon on the side air vents, on the mirrors, even the pod lights at the top are in carbon with the Urban XRS. You've got a contrasting black roof. You've got big spec as well, so we've got things like heated seats, cooled seats, adaptive air suspension, electric deployable tow bar, fridge, heads-up display. To the rear, again, rear spoiler in carbon, gloss black, lovely slick tinted LED lights, the big wide arches with them big urban mud flaps, and then you've got that exhaust system, which just sounds phenomenal. Spare wheel, again, is a UVX wheel. And then in here, the popular, because you've got loads of boot space, the practical, you've got your electric deployable tow bar, and you've got your air suspension, all ebony throughout. We'll just show you as well in the back first, because the backs of these seats are just phenomenal. We've got more style in here. What about this? So even the interior, the leather is all perforated. Look at that with the honeycomb in red stitching. Then you've got them XRS performance seats in carbon fibre, which again are just phenomenal. Rear heated seats as well, 4-zone climate, ambient lighting. Even look at this, XRS there, just engraved into the leather. So it's a real high-end conversion, and that's what's important. There's not many cars available. I think last time when we found, there was another car which was 2 years older, and it was selling for more money. Then you've got this incredible flat bottom steering wheel with carbon on the inside, across the dashboard. If I just start this car off, it's done 11, oh my word, have you heard it? It's done 11,500 miles from new. Heated wheel, adaptive cruise, heads-up display, clear sight camera, tilt and sliding sunroof. So these are all features and spec that you would want. But then on top of that, you've got a fridge, you've got wireless charging. On top of that, you've got the noise. Whoa. Can you just go around the back and just have a little... That sounds absolutely phenomenal. Heated seats, cooled seats, heated seats in the back. How nice are these seats? Look at this. And by the way, the condition of the car is absolutely incredible. Inside, it's immaculate. The steering wheel, the leather, the carbon is all just in beautiful order. You've got things like your 360 surround camera. You've got your wireless Apple CarPlay, your Bluetooth, your multimedia, all them features you would want. What a car, what a car. Only 65 of these cars. I think the Khaki just looks tremendous. Urban XRS, full conversion, going live on our platforms. Give us a call.